Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC, and the Legit Mobile. This is Unity, Intermediate Unity Video 20. I had something in here that I wanted to delete, for whatever reason, my software that I was using to edit these videos was not doing a great job of editing. So what I'm going to decide to do is replay the video and basically have the same software OBS that I use to record my screen to just record it, and then I'll republish it. And once it gets to the part that I want to delete, I'll just skip over it and then go back to where I need to go there and start from there again. So that's why this video is a little bit late. I made it actually 2 days ago, but I've been struggling with my form software. Basically, my software for editing is like doing this weird, like, pulsating kind of blurriness. Very strange. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start the video and I'll record it up to that point. I'll mute my mic so all you hear is the sound of the video playing, which is my voice, of course. And then after, once it gets to that time, I'll skip forward. I only have one thing to delete out of this video. I'll skip forward to the point I have here on my little card, and then I'll just let it finish recording, and when it's done, I will come back and finish and basically cut the video and then upload it. And then so you guys will have this video ready to go. So go ahead and enjoy the video, and when it gets to that point, you'll see me skip forward here in the timeline. You'll see me pause and skip forward in the timeline, and we'll continue from there. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Let's go ahead and start the video, and I'll be back. Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC, and the Legit Mobile. Today we're going to go back into the, I was deleting something on my other screen. Zombie Alamo, and we're going to continue working on this. From what I remember, we had an issue last time where the gate, when the gate was shut, it would not let us swing through the gate. So, but I think that's fine. It does let us swing through the gate, but if it doesn't let us swing through the gate, then it won't let the zombies in. Anyways, so now, well, basically, I think that's just gonna have to be the gameplay thing right now until I figure it out. Next thing that we're gonna do is we are going to integrate a health bar into the gate system. So, depending on how many zombies are there, the gate will degrade depending on the zombies left. So as you see, all the zombies basically line up. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to look at how many zombies are left in the round, and we're going to multiply that by some preset value and degrade that from the gate, right? So I'm thinking we'll start out with a standard 100%, and we'll kind of look at, we'll run something, we'll set it up, and we'll look at kind of how that scales, and we'll see if, we'll figure out what value we're actually going to go with each zombie that has to go there to destroy it, pretty much. It doesn't auto-load my stuff anymore. It's kind of upsetting. So sorry about all the background noise. Let me turn my mic a little bit this way. So reason being is that the hallway fan is on. It kind of drowns out my voice because Ava, my niece, is now, instead of in my brother's room, which is behind me, she is now in this room, basically. I don't think I'm not sharing a wall. She's out this door and over. So at least I'm not sharing a wall. Actually, no. That is incorrect. She is on the other side of this wall that is behind me. But I'm facing the opposite direction. She used to be sharing a hallway on the other side of my closet, but not anymore. So I think that the closet was probably a better scenario, a better situation, because I could close my closet door, and then the wall in between the closet, and then if they close the closet door, my brother closed the closet door on their side. I think that was a better situation. But now she's pretty much closer now. So hopefully the insulation between me and her is good enough, and also between the door and there. But when the hallway fan is on, that's not an issue because it drowns out all that sound. So that's why I have that background noise, and it might be pretty regular when she's here that I have that background noise. Anyways, so Visual Studio is open. So basically, what I'm thinking now, but I could talk a little bit louder. So it might be a little bit annoying hearing it in the background, but I could talk louder. So, and also it was like 100 degrees today in the afternoon, so it's still really, really hot right now. I'm actually sweating a little bit just being in here. I got my ceiling fan turned on the lowest, and it's still extremely hot. Okay, anyways, so pretty much what I'm thinking that we're gonna do is, like I said, look at how many zombies are left in the round, and the zombies that are left in the round are in the game controller. So I think that's where I'm going to do it. So what I'm thinking is that zombies, I'm going to look at this on collision enter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a trigger so this one's not going to have a trigger, but this other one is. So here, assets, prison gate closed. And then this is going to have another, so it's going to have a trigger in the back and a trigger. What I'm actually going to do, instead of adding another one, actually no, it needs to be here. Oh, but then if I put another trigger here, when he enters it, it's going to do something different. Because then now he could close himself out of it. So maybe if I just do on collision, it might work, but let's see. So let's put this here just for testing purposes. And so here on zombie, I'm going to say on collision enter. Oh, here basically I made him stop, and then here I'm going to say, so I think this keeps happening. Yeah, so this is continually happening. So I'm going to say after blank number of seconds, but I think I'll have that in the game controller instead of having it in two different places. So I'm going to say character controller dot damage gate. Alright, so we're going to go character controller, and we're going to create a new static oops, not here, game controller. Alright guys, we're coming up to the spot here, and about, let's start stop right now. And I'm just going to go like this, and then back up to where it needs to be. Okay, so sorry about the inconvenience. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys with more videos this weekend, tomorrow and Sunday. Then I'm going to do, so wait. Oh, I could do that here. I could do that same thing. What was that one? I think it was in here. Close gate, yeah, it was under close gate. Oh no, it was under character controller. Invoke, right here. Oops. So if you remember invoke, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna say ooh. Can we do this though? Oh, not character controller. Game controller. Invoke another method. Unity. So invoke another method in a different class. Well, basically it's saying, basically what he's saying is do call from one to the other. Whatever. Public damage gate, damaging gate. Damaging gates, game controller dot dam. We want to do this after 1 second, and we want to do invoke. Oops. Derp. Okay, so we're gonna just do here, and we're gonna do a string. Says damaging gate and string. Bam. Okay. So after 1 second, it's gonna set over here to game controller, and then it's gonna have the here. We're gonna have something here, public static int. What the heck? Oh, I guess that works. Let's do here public static int. And let's change this around just so it looks right. And we're gonna say gate health equals 100, public static int gate damage equals 1. Gate damage equals 1, so like 1 per second, so that means it gives you 1.5 minutes. But then again, you could kill the zombie and then the next zombie has to come and touch it. Kill the zombie and then the next zombie has to come and touch it. So you could you could save a little bit of time for your stamina to come back, I guess, pretty much. But I mean, you're gonna lose stamina faster to kill the zombie to begin with. But maybe if it's like the last zombie and you're out of stamina or something, we'll see how it goes. So gate health 100, gate damage 1, let's say. Now gate damage is basically gonna be So gate health minus equals gate damage. Okay. And then basically what we need to do is so here, stamina refresh. So here every time, okay, so in the update here I'm probably going to do the gate health. And then here I'm going to do public static int. I don't know if I can do this from update though. We'll see. I'm going to say okay, so gate health regen 1 every 10 seconds or something, maybe. Let's see. So total is, so basically you need to wait 100 seconds, which is like a minute and a half, which is a long time in a game. So, and what I'm thinking here is I'm just going to have another one here, and it's going to say regen gate, and then I'm just going to do another evoke, because it's going to be a static gate health plus equals gate health regen. I'm going to call this regen gate. Oops. Okay, so also this is going to be times zombie left in round, right? Zombie left in round count. Okay, and then this is going to be up here in evoke every whatever. And also, this is going to be, oh, and we can put it up here. So, actually no, we could have it down here. I mean, we can just call the method, it's fine. If gate health is less than is less than 100, because obviously we don't want it to go over 100. Then we need to gate regen. Okay. Obviously, again, this is not very practical, but hey, whatever. Okay, so let's do that here. Invoke, and I think it's capital I. Invoke. Yeah, string. Regen gate, right? Capital R. Regen gate every 5 seconds. So that's, oh sorry, when the other one I said 100. So well, if it's 0, then it would take 1,000 seconds, which is 1,000 seconds. 16.1666, so 16 minutes. Yeah, that's too slow. So let's do this every 1 second. And what I'm going to do is, let's do it every 1 second, so it regens 1 health every 1 second. But when I go here, so basically what I'm going to have is in the game controller, I'm going to have public static int. So I'm going to say gate hitting. So if gate hitting, then it's going to regen. And then pretty much what I'm going to do is here, what we're going to do is we're going to set that inside we're going to send that through here. So here we're going to keep saying gate hitting equals 0. And then pretty much here, every time that this happens, we're going to set gate here gate equals 1. Oh, okay, so what I could do is I could keep setting it in here. So 1 and then 0. So here I can set it to 1, but where am I going to set it to 0? Regen gate. So, L plus. Because yeah, I do not want it to regen when it's being hit by the zombies, right? Because then it will kind of come back while it's, you know. So how am I going to set this? So gate hitting is 0. Let's see, can I set it? So I gotta set it somewhere here. And what I'm thinking is it's just gonna kind of keep sending this, but even though it sends that, I don't know if it comes back and goes through this. If it goes through this and then I set it to 1 here, it's gonna reset it. Let's try it first. I mean, we're already in, 22 minutes anyway, so let's try it. Let's see what errors we got. You know what we're gonna do? Let's just have it. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so failed to call static function region because an object was provided. Hey, because it's static? Oh, but this doesn't need to be static though. Wait a second. Yeah, it does. Because it's setting gate health. That's probably going to throw an error. Oops. Looks okay. Okay, so let's do another. But here's going to be the issue: is making a static. So here, no, not that. Public text. Where's the rest of the text? Oh, that might be in a different one. Gate health. Okay. So, uh-oh. Gate health HUD. So now it's gate health HUD. Okay, so let's save that, move it over here. Okay. So gate health HUD. Let's go ahead and create. Ooh. Let's just duplicate, and let's call this rename gate. Somewhere in the middle, looks to be about here. And we're gonna call this gate health. Is that how you spell health? That does not look right. Weird. It is how you spell it. Oops. Okay. Okay, so now we want to set the text. So here, set the text here, right here. So we're gonna say gate health HUD. Plus, let's see, gate. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna throw an error. And yep. Says asset 75 object reference. Can I typecast it? Yes. Okay. Guess not. What about oh, I didn't set it maybe. I think it was main cameras, character, game controller, yeah. Okay, gate HUD, gate health HUD, boom. Okay, now let's try it. Oh, wants me to rebuild. I know Ticus. Oops. Okay. Oh. Interesting. Let's see. Let's do some debug. Is this a collider? It is a collider. So let's say here, zombie. Oh, print zombie. So basically here I'm just doing a debug line. Zombie hitting gate. I go a couple minutes over because I had that monologue at the beginning explaining why I had the fan going in the hallway. So interesting. So only doing it once. Okay. Is there on collision exit? Okay, so what I'm thinking is that here on this is gonna basically do a gate hitting 0. So here gate hitting equals 0. So then so on collision enter, and then I think we can do a on collision exit. Exit maybe. Why isn't it like that one? Ah. Is that what you want? Okay. So yeah, there is an on collision exit 2D. So what I'm gonna do is do this. And then I'm going to do this one, and then here I'm gonna say And then here it's going to say gate hitting equals 1. And then here, zombie no longer hitting gate. Don't want to do this anymore. And don't want to do that anymore. And I wanted to do a gate hitting equals 0. Okay, so now if I do if gate hitting equals 1, then do invoke gate damage, copy, paste, and let's get rid of that. Okay, now let's try. Oh, and then let's do this. So this should spam. So this should spam zombie hitting gate here. And also the life should go down continually. Did I build? I think I built. Yeah, I did. Oh, okay, so basically it looks like it's working, but here every second. That was weird how it went really, really fast. Times zombies left and round. So game controller, zombies left and round. Ooh, a couple minutes over here now. Okay, so zombie left and round, gate damage. Oh, what did I do for gate damage? 1? Yeah. So, might need to drop this. And then obviously we needed to open up the gate once it goes below 0. Okay, so it looks like we have the basic everything in here. So now we need to have it where when it goes below 0, the gate opens. And then the gate could regen. And obviously when... Oh! But now we have an issue. Because now the gate... There's gonna have to be 2 different gate tags. Because when it's open, we don't want to damage it when the zombies go through it. So we're also gonna have to change that if I remember it next week. Okay, or this weekend. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Take it easy. Peace. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I think I went a little bit over, so I will see you guys this weekend for the continuation of this series, and we'll try to get this project done as soon as possible. Oh, so I noticed I might not have been in full screen, but that's okay. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later on this weekend for video number 21. Take it easy. Peace.